So when it's come to margaritas, apart from the classic one, there's a tons of variations, okay? And as much I want to share all of them, I will stick to only few. And already we have 2 margaritas, so I have 2 more prepared for you. One today, one tomorrow. So let's see what we're making today. Welcome back, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to kind of a little short margarita marathon we're doing here. So it's been already 2 margaritas and I have another 2 recipes for you to share. As much I want to share, you know what I mean, all of them, it's not possible. So I picked 4 which I really like, and I hope you're gonna find at least one of them close to your liking or maybe became your favorite. Now, once again, I want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you to everyone out there who make possible to reach 1K and keep growing. And just a quick announcement for all of you who just popped to this video and like you're new to the channel. Don't forget, stay until the end, check the cocktail. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button or just like the video, whatever you decide. Or maybe send me a message or a comment or just stay around. I don't know, whatever you decide, guys. But anyway, let's do the cocktail. So today we're doing Blood Orange Margarita, and from the name and from the thumbnail you've probably seen, it's quite looking good cocktail. Okay, it's basically the classic margarita, but we're gonna introduce 2 more ingredients to make it this kind of a lovely blood orange look. First of all, before I do the cocktail, we need to rim our glass with salt. Now, margarita, you know, it's half salt rim. Not all variations have it, but this one, it's have it. So get like a half a slice of lime, like a wedge lime. Get your glass. This one is gonna be served over ice in a old-fashioned glass. So all we're gonna do is rim half of the glass. So just from outside, don't go inside in the glass. You don't want any salt to drop in your cocktail. Just on the outside, just a half of it. And why we're doing half is because, like, let me just rim, why you do half of the rim? It's very simple. I mean, different explanation. My explanation is this. If you're making it for friends or for other people and you don't know their preference, what they want to drink with salt or not salt, you make it half-half. So this way you give them a choice to try with salt. If they don't like it, they just drink from the other side. Simple as that. Make a very nice tiny riff. Make it very nice tiny rim. It's absolutely enough. Okay? Just give it a quick slap on the top, like a tap on the glass, any salt to drop down. And leave your glass on the side. Leave this lime wedge on the side, and we are ready to make it. We're starting with silver tequila, Tequila Blanco. Your favorite tequila, grab it and use it. So we're gonna do 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of the silver tequila straight away in the shaker. There we go. Then, of course, we're gonna drop our orange liqueur. In this case, I'm gonna use Cointreau, use Triple Sec or use Grand Marnier or whatever orange liqueur you have. I do like to use it with a Cointreau for this one because it's nice. It's gonna bring a little bit of sweetness to it, so it's really good. Only 15 ml or a half an ounce of the Cointreau or Triple Sec. There you go. And this is pretty much, we're going to the classic margarita now because we have a lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. Just 15 ml or half an ounce again of the lime juice. And this is it. This is your classic margarita recipe pretty much, okay? Apart from we're missing one part, which is the sugar syrup, or in my case, like I mentioned in the other videos, I like to use Agave Nectar because have this lovely agave flavor and it's giving a little bit more kind of a complement to the tequila in the cocktail. So 15 ml of the Agave Nectar or a half an ounce. I'm keep trying to do these conversions and I'm gonna miss some time, definitely. Anyway, and this is the change for this margarita which is coming. This is the fresh squeezed blood orange juice. I do hope you can find blood orange because that's the whole point of the blood orange margarita. Now, if you can't find, just get a normal orange and it's gonna be just a normal orange margarita. But hey, Do your best. If you can find, it'll be fantastic. Now this is gonna be, usually it's between 20 to 30 ml. I'm gonna go with 30 ml or a 1 ounce, okay? Just to make it nice, rich red in color and give this lovely like a sweetness and citrus zest from the orange. And finally, I do have it somewhere here. Let me just see. Yeah. I mean, I have one on the shelf there, but I want to finish this bottle. So we're gonna use Campari. A very little bit of Campari, just 5 ml. How much is this in ounces? No idea, but I'll figure out, and when you see the recipe, it's gonna be put there, proper conversion, okay? So it's just a 5 ml. This is pretty much to bring a kind of a note of bitterness to the cocktail. That's all. Obviously it's gonna complement the red color, but basically just to bring a little bit of bitterness. And we're ready to shake. So grab ice, drop in the shaker some ice, and let's give it a good shake. Ooh, wonderful. Now, I said it's gonna be served over ice. So once again, I'm gonna use a big cube of ice. Don't be worried if you don't have them, if you don't have how to make them. Just fill up your glass with ice and enjoy. But because I have it, I'm gonna use it. Strainer doesn't need double straining. We want everything to go in, and there you go. It's coming our Blood Orange Margarita, which is a little bit pinky, but still on the red side of the color, okay? Right, garnish. Of course, it's gonna be a blood orange because it's Blood Orange Margarita. So I'm gonna cut one nice big slice of blood orange. And we are done. There you go, guys. Cheers. Thank you for watching. And as I say again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave me a comment. Let's try this. Oh yes. Seriously, I can smash probably 5-6 of this. I don't know how I'm gonna feel after, but the way how this is tastes, you have this lovely sweetness, citrus coming from the red, from the blood orange, because it's totally different than the normal. It's just so sweet and so fresh. And obviously, you can feel the agave, complement from the agave syrup, and everything, every other aspect from the classic margarita. I'll try a little bit with the salt. That's wonderful. That's absolutely fantastic cocktail, guys. Oh yes. Oof. I'm gonna go enjoy that, and I'll see you tomorrow with another one, which I probably think most of you gonna like it because it's frozen and it's also red. But what it's in it, you'll find out tomorrow. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another recipe. For now, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.